You know what day it is. Time to open another IPSY package. Let's see what we have this month. Okay, so we've got, sorry, I'm just reading it. So we've got a, I can't speak English. We've got some holiday masks to put on. They feel like they're kind of, let me see. Oh, they're sheet masks. I don't know why, I just keep thinking it's gonna be like peppermint, which will be interesting. Ooh, this is the bag for this month. Kind of Sherpa-y. Really warm and cozy. So we have a matte crayon lipstick from Sugar. Oh, it's called Matte as Hell. That'll be interesting, a matte look. Another chapstick. Preventative Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm. Then we have Precisely My Brow Pencil. And lastly, we have, oh, a cleanser. I think this is the one that I chose. It is by Murad. It is a Essential C cleanser. Awesome. We have a lot of good like goodies this month. And of course, we've got our little pamphlet. It says home for the holidays. Aren't they right? We are home for the holidays. It's where the heart and fun is. Rock those festive playlists, already doing it. Don a red lip, already doing it. Indulge in what you love with who you love. It's what the holidays are about. And on the inside, they show you everything that came with your bag on the inside. You guys know what I do here. We're going to now make a look based off of the new items that I just got. And I may use my new palette as well. I just ordered this Candy Castle palette from ColourPop. Let me open it up so I can show it to you guys. Ta-da! So cute and pastel, right? Yeah, these are cute. I don't know if they're quite Christmassy, but they are cute. And the second thing I got was a lippy stick. And I got it just for the holiday season. I got it in red, obviously. And this is what it looks like. Now let's think of what I'm going to do with this look, because I don't know. I think what I'll do is I'll start with the cleanser, and then I will chill with one of my new face masks for this month, and then we can start on the look. Oh, I didn't put my light on. Okay, I am back. My stepdad is mowing the grass, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. Like, he honestly mows the grass every other day, so at this point, I just don't even know. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to put chapstick on to rehydrate my lips. This smells really good, too. I feel like I should talk about the cleanser and the mask. Kind of worked perfectly because the mask asks you to cleanse before you put the mask on. So I cleansed my face, then I put the mask on, watched some Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and now we're ready to do a makeup look. So I was inspired by another look that I saw, and I'm gonna see if I can recreate or just make like an inspired look off of it. I'm just gonna do a pretty simple base. I'm using a vitamin C primer. I just want something light on my face since I'm kind of eye focused anyway. I have to get some more concealer. Okay, there goes my David Tennant. And always wipe away from your hand. I learned that the hard way. Gonna get a little bit of color corrector. So now we're gonna work on the eyebrows. I'm gonna use my new brow pencil from Benefit that I just got from my IPSY bag. It is called Precisely My Brow Pencil. Oh, is that in black? I think this is in black, which is fine because my eyebrows are black or whatever. It's just ever since I had my photo shoot for my headshots, the makeup artist said to use brown because it's more natural looking. So we'll see what I can do here. looks really clean. That's for one. And let's see. I see gaps. Do you guys? I see gaps. For some reason, I stand by the Gimme Brow from Benefit and just my regular, like, Forever 21 dark brown eyeshadow and an angled brush because I don't know what I just did here. I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit. I don't know what it is right now that's making them look so weird. Maybe it's because they're bolder. I haven't been doing a bold eye look for a while. This looks better, right? I feel like it looks better. I guess it's just that they look really, really bold right now. Well, that's on eyebrows. And I feel like we're gonna have to go really dramatic with this look since my eyebrows are like popping off of my face. There's a ladybug in my room. My mom always says that when ladybugs are near, they're there to bring you good news. It does not sound as if it's there to bring me good news. Okay, on to eyes, which is what I was excited about. Gonna put on some primer. And today, we're gonna do an eye look that I've not done before. As I said, it's inspired from that other look that I saw. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I don't want to dirty my new palette. I already like stained it right here with my foundation hands, but it's okay. Okay, so this look was really like, it's really light and shimmery and was focused more on the like eyeliner that like goes into the crease. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use some pinks, Grandma Nut and King Candy. Then we're gonna go in with Grandma Nut on the outer corner, some Candyland, and that's gonna go on the inner corner. I'm gonna get some Sugar High and put that on my brow bone. It's like I'll show you. So I just used some of the Candyland on the inner corner. I'm gonna use some Sugar High on the brow bone. I love how it's looking so pastel right now. It's going to be really dramatic, and as I can color pop through my eyes palette, I want some glitter. I'm gonna use some of the Lucido and kind of just dust that right on top, focused in like the inner corner. So now I'm going to take the blending brush and just blend those colors. I'm gonna also take some Canela right here, kind of brown color, and I'm gonna put that. Okay, great. So now we're gonna see if I can do it because this is the first time I've ever done this eyeliner before. Let me see if I can bring my camera a little closer so you guys can see me. We'll see what I do. I'm gonna start with the bottom liner, which is just like normal. And then we're gonna kind of sketch out the crease. Start by making a little mark here.
I suggest using a black eyeshadow first.
I don't know, guys.
That's what I ended up finding out later. Just keep watching.
Okay, guys, we're gonna try that again. So I redid the liner, as you can see, and I don't have like a fancy little liner pen like everyone does. I use e.l.f.'s Precision Liner. But I am gonna go in with a black eyeshadow first, just for my Forever 21 matte palette. I'm gonna outline where it's gonna go before I add the liner. And here's hoping I do it right, dude. Here's hoping. I'm gonna try to stay under the line just because I want it to be closer than it is right now. So let me see what I can do. And I'm just gonna make the end taper out a little more. Well, I did it. I feel like the inner corner needs to go more inner. So let me, today's a day. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a cute liner look. There. Now I'm gonna do this over here. Because I think you guys saw how I did it. So let me just jump in, do the other side, and I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like. I'm unsure how to feel. Let me see what I can do to like zhuzh it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on and then like lashes and stuff. I'm just gonna put on a regular blush, nothing too bright. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna get my Wired palette and put on some Slow Burn. It's like this bright pink color, and I think it'll really complement my eye color, or the color I have in my eye. Oh. Oh wow. It is super matte, which I love. I mean, it is called, like, it's matte as hell. I'm in love with this. And it's like really moisturizing. It's not dry. So let me go throw on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so this eye, look at that. Just like it is sharp. It is sharp. I don't know what happened here and I can't fix it. And I've tried, I really have tried, and I don't know how to fix it to make it look just as like, oh, sharp. That is so, that's on point, and this is just like its sister, like its messed up sister. Okay, but overall, I mean, I love this look. I'm in love with this matte lip crayon. Like, look at that. It's not caking. It is not dry. It's still moisturizing. Like, sugar knows where it's at. That's for sure. So this is the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, please press the like button. And if you're interested in seeing more content like this, please press the subscribe button. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for not making fun of me. It took me a long time to learn how to do the cat liner perfectly, so it might take me a second before I learn how to do the double liner perfectly. Anyway, have a good one. Bye!